So I don't know how well, okay, I'm checking my mic is on. I don't know how well this is gonna work out. I got the sun right in my eyes. But what I want to do is go up the castle, which is off limits right now, because they've got an amazing view of Cancun. Oh, ladybugs. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't get caught and thrown out of the resort. Some of the staff people here. So I figured if I just go in and act like I belong there. Let's see.
This is the first club that we're buying a show.
Let's see. Okay. We're in. Let's see what's up. I'm going up the stairs now. There's quite a lot of stairs here because it goes very high up. Let's see.
Segunda llamada para comenzar nuestra aventura pirata. ¿Así que todo el mundo preparado? Esta es.
Let's see. Now to get down and not get in trouble. Ooh. The goal is not to drop the camera. These stairs really aren't meant for going down. They're angled in a really weird way. Let's see. I want to be able to kind of just slip right out without getting caught. Okay. And we just act like we belong here. And 5 kids.